Combine cinnamon with oil. I'm sure you'll use this trick for years. First, get a pitcher and pour in about 14 ounces of water. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Cinnamon has a strong, distinctive scent that really works in an amazing way. Stir well to combine the 2 ingredients completely. Grab a tall jar and pour the mixture from the pitcher into it. Then add about 2 ounces of oil. The oil is important in this mix. It helps keep the cinnamon scent strong and lasting. Next, take a metal bottle cap and use a drill to make a small hole in it. Take a wick from an old candle and make a loop so it stays in place. Thread the wick through the cap and place it in the jar with the mixture. Light the wick and you're done. When lit, it releases the warm scent of cinnamon. If you're tired of annoying insects, try this natural method. Flies, mosquitoes, ants, and moths don't like the smell of cinnamon. That's why this homemade cinnamon candle will help protect you and your home from bugs. Protect your seedlings. Naturally. No chemicals needed. Cover a young seedling with a pot to create a safe environment. Then, prepare a homemade mixture that works even better than many store-bought chemicals. Take a few dried eggshells and crush them with your hands. Don't break them too finely. You want sharp edges and rough surfaces. These jagged pieces serve a purpose. Place the crushed shells in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of cinnamon. Not only does it smell amazing, but it also has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda and mix everything thoroughly. You'll end up with a dry, loose mixture that looks great and works even better. With your seedlings still covered by the pot, sprinkle the mixture in a circle around it. Make sure the ring is tight and even. This will keep animals and insects from getting near your plant. This simple method provides effective, eco-friendly protection that helps your seedlings grow strong and healthy. No harsh chemicals needed. Hang a cinnamon stick on a tree, on a doorknob, in a window, on the balcony, near your living room plants, or on a kitchen shelf. This simple trick is a summertime essential. Take cinnamon sticks and crush them. Toss them into a grinder and blend into a fine powder. Pour the powder into a bowl. Prepare about 500 milliliters of lukewarm water and add 2 teaspoons of the ground cinnamon. Add a pinch of nettle. It's a natural booster for the mixture's effectiveness. Let everything sit for an hour. After that, strain it through a sieve and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Done. Use this natural spray on the leaves of your indoor, balcony, or garden plants. The second method is even simpler, but just as effective. Take a cinnamon stick and a piece of string. Thread the string through the hole in the center of the stick. Pull it through the other side and tie it tightly with a double knot. That's it. Now you can hang this cinnamon charm anywhere you like. On a tree, a doorknob, in a window, on a balcony, by a flower pot, in the kitchen, or even in your pantry. It looks harmless, but it works great. Ants, mosquitoes, flies, cockroaches, aphids, and even mice and rats stay far away from these spots. These are simple, inexpensive, and natural ways to keep unwanted guests away. Sprinkle it on the grass, and the ants will disappear. This is an effective, natural way to fight ants on your lawn. The powder works mainly because of its strong scent, which disrupts ants' ability to navigate and communicate. As a result, ants will avoid your lawn and garden. Just sprinkle it where you see ants or their nests. It will effectively drive them away. They won't want to stay where they feel unsafe. Fortunately, not only ground cinnamon works against ants. If you have a bigger ant problem, use cinnamon oil. Just a few drops are enough to make an effective spray bottle. Add the drops to water and spray the areas where ants appear. Cinnamon oil lasts a long time and works just like ground cinnamon. The scent not only repels ants, but also helps protect plants by creating a natural barrier. Try this method and use it regularly. You'll see how easy and eco-friendly it is to get rid of ants. Light cinnamon sticks like this. Everyone asks why. Cinnamon isn't just a spice for cooking, it has a surprising use. Take 2 cinnamon sticks and light them directly over a gas stove. Let them smolder slightly, then place them on a heat-resistant plate. Set the plate in a spot where you spend the most time. The warm, natural scent will spread throughout the room, creating a cozy atmosphere. It also works great in the bathroom, helping to eliminate unpleasant odors. A long-lasting, chemical-free fragrance. Try this trick and enjoy a beautifully scented home. Put cinnamon in your coffee. The results will surprise you. This is a simple recipe using basic ingredients you likely already have at home. Start with cinnamon, preferably in stick form, as it has a stronger aroma. Take a grinder and place 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks inside. Grind them into a fine powder and transfer it to a glass container, preferably a bowl. Add a few tablespoons of ground coffee and mix well. Now, light the mixture using a lighter or match. A gentle smoke will appear. This smoke is an incredibly effective natural repellent against mosquitoes and other insects. It keeps pests away from plants and creates a protective barrier. The subtle scent of smoldering coffee and cinnamon is both relaxing and keeps bugs at bay. Now, you can enjoy a pleasant aroma while naturally protecting your space from insects. You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes. Just a few drops will deter ants. If you want to get rid of them in your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. It won't harm plants or household members, but effectively repels ants. To prepare it, you only need a few household ingredients. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense smell disorients ants. Mix the solution thoroughly. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic, which irritates ants. After adding the garlic, mix again and add half a teaspoon of pepper. Wait a few minutes, then strain the mixture through a sieve. Pour the prepared mixture over areas where ants are present. Cinnamon, garlic, and pepper, especially black pepper, contain substances that irritate ants. Therefore, using this previously prepared mixture will cause ants to avoid areas treated with this solution.